Alright guys, today we're on our bikes. I'm with, what's your name again? You changed your name so many times. Ziggy Zag Games. We're gonna try some jumps, these speed bumps right here. My friend's house, they go all out for Christmas. Get the phone ready. Yeah, these speed bumps are gonna go away after this Christmas. So we gotta get them good. We're on our bikes, so we're gonna be jumping. Trying to get where my phone doesn't fall. Alright, B, watch out. We're gonna wait for B. There's their house, my other friend's house. Try Zigzag VR.
Huh?
Try Zigzag VR.
Why did I pick Ziggy?
Alright, we're going down.
I like
Alright, let's go. Woo. Over the ramp. Alright. Now we're going on the ramp I made. Watch out, Andy. There's the vid.